Have you ever wondered how to permanently delete your Facebook account? It's not as complex as it might seem. This video will guide you through the process, demystifying each step along the way. First off, it's crucial to download a copy of your Facebook data. Why? This will ensure you have access to all your photos, posts, and messages even after the deletion. To do this, navigate to your settings. Under the Your Facebook Information section, you will find an option to download your information. Click on it, select the data you wish to keep, and then click on Create File. Facebook will then prepare your data for download. Once it's ready, you will receive a notification. Now to the main event, deleting your account. Again, head to your settings, this time under the Your Facebook Information section, click on Deactivation and Deletion. Two options will appear, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Choose Delete Account. Facebook will ask for your password to confirm it's really you. Enter it, and then click on Continue to Account Deletion. After you've initiated the deletion process, Facebook gives you a grace period of 30 days. During this time, you can choose to reactivate your account if you change your mind. But remember, once the 30 days are over, there's no turning back. Your account will be gone for good, along with all the data you didn't download. In summary, the steps to permanently delete your Facebook account are: 1. Download a copy of your Facebook data from the settings. 1. Go to Deactivation and Deletion under the Your Facebook Information section in Settings. 3. Choose Delete Account. 1. Confirm your decision by entering your password and clicking on Continue to Account Deletion. 1. Wait out the 30-day grace period, and there you have it. A simple, straightforward guide to permanently deleting your Facebook account. Remember, this is a permanent action, so think it through before making the final decision. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.